My room is trashed from this weekend. All right, I'm gonna show you how bad it is. Here we are. This is how bad it is. All the junk always gets thrown on the top bunk for the week. Then we have the bottom bed, which is crazy. The worst part of this is my closet, and I don't know if we're gonna be able to get to that. Hopefully I have stuff. And then my desk. And of course, this part of my desk. So fun. Let's get to cleaning. Put my hair back with like this little scrunchie here so then it's not in my way. All right. Yeah. Now we're ready to clean. Let's do this thing. Guys were wondering why I was all dressed up. I forgot to change out of my Sunday outfit before filming this video, so that's why I have this yellow dress with polka dots on. The reason I left it on is because it's super comfortable. And girls, is it just me, or do you have an obsession with pockets in dresses? Let me know in the comments. Unfortunately, I was unable to get to my closet. That'll have to be saved for another time. And of course, my laundry bin is full again. If you guys like this video, please be sure to check out my other video, Clean With Me. I'll see you guys in the next video.